I'm Dr. Rick Buck, and I've been a dentist for 17 years. Many people would like to know the difference between dentures, implant snap-on dentures, and all-on-4 bridges or hybrid dentures as they're also called. This video will go over the pros and cons of each of them. Stability. Regular dentures are not that stable, especially the lower ones. Between upper and lower dentures, the upper ones nicely suction into place, and more often, they are more stable because the lower ones don't suction into place normally. A lot of people have to use a lot of this gooey denture adhesive to keep them stable. However, just because the upper dentures seem to be a little bit more stable, it really isn't predictable how stable the upper dentures will be either. And the immediate dentures get less stable in time. So even if they do fit the day the teeth are extracted, they will loosen in the following months. People today demand stability. So a lot of people are unhappy with these dentures. I mean, they come out when they're eating, they're blowing candles, or doing other things. Implant snap-in dentures are much more stable. It takes a lot of force to take them out, but there's one caveat to that, because there's liners that hold these snap-in dentures into place on the implants. And once those liners wear out, those too become a lot less stable. Now, when they loosen, they're still normally more stable than the traditional dentures when eating, but still they're a lot more loose and less stable. Fixed all-on-4 bridges or hybrid dentures are rock solid, so they don't move. And in fact, only a dentist has the tools to remove them. So people love the stability of hybrid dentures. They love having an option they don't have to worry about, and they can bite into apples and steak or whatever, and they don't have to cut them up into pieces like some people do with regular dentures. Cosmetics. Most people are happy with the cosmetics of all three of these options, especially because of how unaesthetic their natural teeth were leading up to having them all taken out. Fixed dentures have a few more cosmetic advantages that make them even better than the other two. First, they are made of more cosmetic and teeth-like material than the plastic teeth used in immediate and snap-on dentures. Second, a lot of people don't like the puffy upper lip that sometimes comes with immediate dentures and snap-in dentures. All-on-X hybrid bridges or dentures don't have the material between the upper gums and that lip that causes the puffy lip look. Third, sometimes it is a surprise how the dentures are going to look with immediate and snap-on dentures. And once they are done, that's it. There's not really much improvement you can get in the cosmetics. With digitally made hybrid dentures, you can make a predictable and permanent replica of the temporary bridge. So if you like the temporary, you're gonna like the permanent. In fact, you're gonna love it because it's gonna look even better. If you don't like the look of the temporary, you just make a few modifications beforehand so you will know what the permanent will look like the day you get the fixed hybrid denture. That way, the cosmetics are predictable. Comfort. Basically, the more bulky and less stable the prosthesis is, the more uncomfortable they are. Immediate dentures are the most bulky and go all the way across the palate, which can really annoy people. As such, they take a lot of getting used to. Snap-on dentures aren't quite as bulky, but still enough to be uncomfortable. The last of these options, hybrid dentures, have the least bulk and are the most stable, so people think they are very comfortable. Quickly, before I get to the most interesting part, I developed the best toothbrush, floss, and other dental products that are in Amazon affiliate links in the description. Those dental products will give you a stunningly clean mouth. You should watch my videos about why they are the best, posted at the end of this video, so you brush and floss with superior results. Speaking. There will be changes to your speech with all three of these options, but once again, the less bulky and the more stable they are, the better the speaking will be. So, traditional dentures are the most difficult for speech, followed by snap-in dentures, and then fixed implant bridges are the best. People barely have issues with the fixed implant dentures, and it likely goes away after a few days to weeks. Eating. Eating is normally improved with any of the three options, especially from what people have experienced prior to having their teeth taken out. However, the more stable they are, the better they can eat. Immediate dentures, once again, can be really hard to learn to eat with. The other two options are much better for eating. There is one odd thing about eating with snap-in dentures and fixed prosthesis though, and that is that you can't really feel the pressure that you're eating with. So it takes getting used to eating with them, but you will get used to it and be able to eat much more than you would with traditional dentures. And so with regular dentures, you can feel that biting pressure on the gum. Still, people normally prefer the stability of eating with the fixed hybrid denture because they prefer to eat all the foods that they're not able to eat with the traditional dentures or the immediate dentures. Cost. Here's the sticking point for the implant options. Immediate dentures are much more affordable. Normally for the full mouth, it is a few $1,000s to have everything done. Snap-in dentures will cost tens of thousands of dollars for the full treatment. With fixed dentures, you can expect to pay the price of a pretty nice car. So tens of thousands of dollars as well, but more than the snap-in dentures. Pain. Anytime you have your mouth worked on, you can experience pain. You just never really know who is going to have a lot of pain from the procedures and who will have none or very little. However, the snap-in and hybrid dentures will likely have more associated initial pain due to the bone removal and implant procedure. Then again, immediate dentures can be painful and unwearable until all the sore spots are taken care of. So it's hard to say, but you can expect soreness with any option. Cleanliness. All three options have special cleaning instructions, but all can be kept very clean. People would expect, since you can't remove fixed dentures, that they would be very gross on the underside because stuff can build up. That has not been what I have seen. It is true that they are hard to learn to clean, but once you get the hang of cleaning them, they can stay pretty clean underneath. So this is a patient that I did All-On-X fixed hybrid dentures. I had to take these dentures out 8 months after I put them into place. And you can see right when I take them out, they're still pretty dang clean underneath. I give really good instructions on how to keep these hybrid dentures clean. So they can stay clean, but you have to really learn how to clean them. I have a video that explains how to clean your fixed All-On-X hybrid dentures, but it's definitely more effort to keep them clean underneath. This is where snap-on and traditional dentures are better. It is easier to take them out each night and clean them. The instructions are pretty straightforward, so all three can be kept clean. However, the hybrid All-On-X bridge or dentures are more difficult to keep clean because they take special instructions. My recommendations. In short, I had a patient that upgraded from snap-in dentures to hybrid dentures, and I asked him which he preferred. He said it's not even a contest. All-On-4 bridges or dentures are the best. And I quote, "I'd take them any day of the week over snap-in dentures." You can watch his video of me converting everything from snap-in dentures to All-On-X hybrid denture. If money is an issue, then I would go with immediate dentures. And while snap-on dentures are a definite upgrade from immediate dentures, as long as you're splurging, you might as well go with the best option, which is the All-On-X hybrid dentures. That's my opinion. Come see me. I will get you a beautiful set of teeth that function nicely so you can enjoy the finer things in life once again, and you can enjoy the apple. You can enjoy that steak. Watch all my daily tooth care videos I have posted now for the best techniques, tips, and products for a stunningly clean mouth that avoids tooth decay and gum disease and gives you fresh breath. My dental products are in Amazon affiliate links in the description below. And if in Southern California, my dental office is in the description as well. Like and subscribe to my channel if you have teeth.